Hi, I'm Darryl. I'm with Full Bore Engraving Co. I own and operate the company. It's basically, as you can see behind me here, I've got an Epilogue Laser, a Fusion Pro. I've also got a Radian Fiber Laser. And I use CorelDRAW graphic suites to create the files for the engraving and the cutting process. And here lately I've had several people ask me if I could help them with different files. Show them how to use CorelDRAW a little bit. And I've tried to do a little bit of that on my YouTube channels already, but I never know exactly what people want. So I'm kind of I'm going to keep this on the YouTube channel, but I'm going to ask you to send me information. If you have anything you need shown with CorelDRAW, with the lasers, whatever, I'm here to help. If you need help, just email me or call me. This is my cell phone number, which is also my business number, and this is my email. You can contact me in either one, or just put comments in one of these videos that you watch, and I'll read those also. But so basically, I'm here to just let you know that if you have any special projects that you need done, or you've got a file you've bought from someone online and you just can't figure out how to use it, or you want to modify it and you can't figure that out, just give me a shout and I'll see if I can be of service to you. Thanks again. Please subscribe and like this video, and please watch my other videos also, and share this with your friends if you know anyone that needs this type of help. Thanks, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.